Hello, my name is Stella. I am a Shiba Inu. It is a rare Japanese breed of dog. The everyman would probably hold pride in such a glorious species of canine. They say all dogs go to heaven. But that of course comes after death. Here in this place, that is all I can wish for, death. For I live in such a hell called the Tyrell House. I have been humiliated, beaten, physically and mentally neglected, and on one occasion run over by one of the young boys' car, breaking both of my legs. This is just a small glimpse into my life, the life of Stella.
Stella, get up.
What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole.
But very few stand out from the crowd.
Kill me.
That's the kind of kick.
Kill me. Kill me now.
The chance to sacrifice their lives.
Stella, go away.
What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole.
And their children's children. There is a great will.
Go away.
I sometimes dream of finally doing it, finally ending the life of the one who ended my career of being a famous race dog. Like Tupac said, revenge is the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Now I'm not one for pussy, but I hope to one day seek revenge. Ruff ruff. Free. Free at last. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. What a fucking asshole. Ouch. Don't cry for me, I'm already dead.